What's up, everybody? We're back and we got another technical analysis video for y'all today. Today's video is gonna be great, guys. It's gonna be loaded with information. I mean, look at the markets, guys. I swear I'm having deja vu right now, guys. Either that or we just been talking about it too much and we spoke it into existence. 90 cents, guys. Boom. Bitcoin went under 50K. If y'all follow me on Facebook or Instagram, we talked about it earlier. I put a quick post up. We said we were going under 50. And just like clockwork, guys, we went under 50. So yeah, we got a lot to cover today. We're going to go over XRP, maybe take a quick peek at Stellar. Definitely got to look at Hedera, guys. Hedera is looking good right now. Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum. Guys, we'll even, look at that joke coin doge. That shit dumped to 15 cents today, guys. Fucking crazy. Anyways, though, we gotta get into it. So that means I gotta tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Now that that's out the way, though, we can get into it, guys. And let's start with the chosen one, XRP, baby. So what have we been saying, guys? All right, I know I haven't been here for 2 days. I know, like, it was slow in the market. We were waiting for the move to happen. Well, what did we say, guys? Came up to $1.50, right? Pulls back. There's your higher low, but that wasn't that explosive. And look, it failed again, and there's the dump. And then you add in Joe Biden talking about raising the capital gains tax, and people freaking out, guys. Just accelerates. That's why fundamentals are important. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, so the question is, what do we do now? Where do we buy? Do we sell? Do we panic? All these great questions, right? Well, guys, we were speculating that between 90 cents and $1.10 is where a lot of people get interested in XRP. All right. So far, I'd say it's holding true. We got a lot of volume there, and that was a wick right from the 90 cents. We never came back. All right, we never came back. Only thing is right now we're holding below the 200 moving average, okay? This is on a 4-hour chart. So we got 2 hours left, guys. If this thing comes above and closes above, I think that's a really good sign. If it stays below, it could just play around in here. Because if you're looking at this now, because now you know what you're dealing with. You're dealing with, the $1.10 at the top of the zone and the 90 cents at the bottom. Really, I guess, what is it? Got to 88 cents, guys, okay? So, I mean, I'm going to leave it at 90, but 88 cents. Okay, guys? Anyways, so yeah, we got 200 on top as resistance. We got that $1.10 as a smaller resistance, And, I mean, guys, we got that strong 90 cent, 88 cent range. And look where you get to set your stop. Come on. Whoever got in right here, man. Wow. I mean, I think that's like, it got up to $1.07, guys. That would have been like a 20% move if you got in at 90 cents. Remember, we talked about 90 cents last week. We said that's where the buyers would like it the most. They get the best risk to reward, right? And look what happened. Did they snatch that up or what? Anyways, where is it? Price range tool. If you got in at 90 cents, got out at $1.07. I mean, you're almost at like 20%, guys. Not bad. Especially if you had your order sitting there waiting in case that flash dump happened, which it did. You guys, you know how I feel about XRP. I'm always bullish on it. If you're looking at this as an investor, if you're looking at XRP as a long-term investor, really anywhere in here is good to add to your position, okay? I wouldn't add everything I got in here. Okay, I understand there's a chance it might never come down, and I wish I did, but that's just not how you play this game. Okay, there's other investments, guys. There's always other plays. But anywhere between 90 cents and 110, in my opinion, is a good place to stack up. Okay, I mean, we almost got to $2. So if you're playing in here, you're getting, like, the traders are starting to see, at least I can double my money. If we get back to $2, and if we get back to $2, we're probably going to blast through it this time, which means we'll probably shoot for 3 or maybe the all-time high of 384. I think that's why XRP showed a lot of demand here. Okay, it has a better risk to reward in my opinion because it has stronger fundamentals. All right? I saw a clip of Brad Garlinghouse, guys. He looked too laid back. his body language, his little smirk on his face, he knows something, guys. Okay? I think there's some good things coming for XRP. But so yeah, this could be as good as it gets. You might get down one more time close to that 90 cent range, guys. But if there really is that crazy kind of demand, which one could argue there is, look at the volume, guys. That's a lot of volume. So if that's the case, 90 cents, guys, scoop, 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 you know? If 90 cents gives out, some people are going to say that 79 cents right there. I personally don't think I would. I think it'd be more 75-ish, because you got this down to this weekly 63, somewhere in there. We'll have to zoom in, guys. We'll get more precise with it. But right now, that 90 cent level, that's the level. Okay? That's the level, in my opinion. Really, I like the 63 cent. I really do, actually. As like the floor. I mean, obviously it could always wick below even more or even crash below that. Who knows what's happening. But I really like the 63 cent because, I mean, it lines up pretty nice. Like little immediate body right there on that candle. The wicks, got the touches right here. I mean, that 63 cents seems really precise, even boom, 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 and where the big candle starts, and the break of the level. I just think that 63 cents is where the real demand is, and you'll probably get the best risk to reward there. Obviously, if you get down in here too, like 59 cents or something, that'd be good because you can play right below here, you know. Anyways, and that orange line, that 63 cents on a weekly chart, guys, is a support. So that's why I'm like, man, big money would love it there. And they could be doing a shakeout right now. They could be trying to shake out more retail traders. To me, it's not really scary, this whole capital gains tax thing. I mean, obviously you don't want it to go up and everything, but I mean, the news to sell off all your digital assets, guys, come on. Come on, like I get it. It sucks. We'll figure it out though. We don't even know what's gonna happen yet. This is what happened with all the people who dumped their XRP the first time when they heard the SEC lawsuit. It's like you don't even know the outcome of the lawsuit or what's going on. Y'all just panicking because you heard SEC lawsuit. You're not gonna get rich. You don't know what you're doing if that's how you're maneuvering in these markets and in your financial decisions. Okay, like guys, I mean, we gotta be sharp with it. This is why I tell you, we gotta remove emotion and we have to use the logic, guys. The logic mixed with the intuition. All right, getting a read on people. Using our skills. But I mean, guys, right now that's a pretty big dump. I expected to push back. That's why if I'm taking a guess, I think we reclaim. I think at the end of this 2 hours, I think we'll probably be above that 200. That's a guess, though. Okay. But yeah, guys. So yeah, that's a guess. Sorry, I had to cut back in. I almost sneezed. I'm not trying to sneeze on video for you guys. That should be crazy. Anyways, though, yeah, XRP. Long-term investor, I think anywhere in here is good. If you're trying to more trade from this position, going back up to $1.50, I'd probably want to be closer to 90 cents. All right, because that is roughly 20%, a little over 20% probably. I'm not trying to have that happen when we're, having Bitcoin looking to collapse. We'll get into Bitcoin too, guys. Bitcoin's not even close to done. It's just getting started over there. It is just getting started over there. Bitcoin doesn't even have fundamentals. Okay, what you're witnessing with XRP is fundamentals during a dump. And that's why I think this level is going to play pretty nice. And everyone's still bullish because of the recent activity and how everyone missed out and how they can't get back in. That's going to play into things as well. But yeah, I mean, look at this too. If we extend it forward, that ended up playing out nice, huh, guys? Right? Sometimes you can use those triangles, those slanted supports and resistances, the angled ones. Sometimes you can use that to project the future. Now, I'm not saying because you draw a line there, it means the price is going to go there. It's just other people might look at that the same way and kind of target that as well, which is why it ends up playing out that way. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. You just need enough people to witness it and think that way. And that, whenever you have the most people thinking a certain way, that's what's gonna play out. You know, it overwhelms. Anyways, so yeah, XRP guys, if you're trading 90 cents, probably where you want to get in, close to there. If you're going long, you know, long-term investment guys, this is a great buying opportunity. I wouldn't dump the whole bag here though. I'd have money in case it comes down more. All right. Anyways, let's move on. Stellar Lumens real quick, guys. Look at Stellar Lumens. Look at the accuracy, guys. 36 cents. This line was drawn a long, long time ago, guys. Okay? Look at the accuracy. That is a very deep retracement. I personally expect a nice correction here. I expect the bulls to step in real quick and scoop this up. But anything can happen again, because remember, Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin. But yeah, anyways, so Stellar Lumens, I mean, again, you want to get in close to these levels. That's where you're going to get the best risk to reward, you know, the best stop loss placement. If you're entering, if that guy right here, whoever got in here at like 35 cents, his stop loss is right below here. Okay, and he's probably got a lot of money and ready to scoop up more at that price because look how, boom, boom, gone. All right, now we got to see how they respond. We gotta see what the bulls do. I think this could come down a little bit more, maybe. Not all the way down to here. And then it could start to take off or even range a little bit before it takes off. Sometimes when you have a big move like this, it takes people time to process it, you know, before they can figure out what they're gonna do. And then you start seeing the next movement. So, and then again, we had to look at that. The level gave out and immediate panic. Boom. All right, that wick wasn't strong enough. There's too much selling pressure and the response wasn't good enough from the level, and a 4 hour, it's just not as strong as a daily. All right, especially when you take risk to reward into consideration. All right, anyways, let's move on, guys. Hedera, we got a lot to cover today. This is probably gonna be a little longer video, who knows. I'm trying to keep it quick though. Hedera hash graph, guys. What were we saying? We were saying 19 cents. I mean, these guys, these lines have been up for a while. All right, they have been up for a while. 19 cents. Look at that, boom, and takes off just like that. Great entry. Me personally, I was interested at 26 cents and under, depending on how we got there. I'm thinking we're going to get better prices, guys. I don't think this is done. You're going to see when we go over Bitcoin, okay? And you might be cool for some short-term trades now, but I don't think we just resume bull run and go set new highs, all these cryptos. I don't see it happening, guys. All right? I can see the narrative shifting. I think a lot of people have fear in the market now, like, whoa, because this was big, guys. This was real big. All right, and we've been saying that 50K level is key. So anyways, Hedera, if you want to play Hedera, guys, I'm looking at 19 cents. I don't think I'm going to take anything up here right now. If anything, just a very, very, very little bit. Maybe like 5% of what I'm willing to play on Hedera. I'd put in right now, just have a little exposure in case it does pop, you know. But still, what's 5%? It's really down here where I get interested. And with this level beneath it, not that far away, it almost makes me think 16 cents is on the table, guys. I think 16 cents is on the table. Really, I think 13 cents is on the table because this move is kind of the same to me as this move. I don't know, it's weird, like, I just see this move, well, the level, like, that's really what, it's not so much the move up, I'm really talking about, like, the time spent is up, just a little bit, up, a little bit, up. Here, it hung around a little longer, so I think that means big money stacks up more here than they do here or here. I think this is just because a bull run was happening and price was getting away. But that's my opinion, guys. But I think 13, and I mean, risk to reward wise, guys, risk to reward wise as well. That 13.8 is going to be nice. You go right below that little structure right there, you know? That's not bad for all the potential above. Okay? I mean, because if you're at that 13 cent level, guys, even if down here we get to 10 cents, that's when man, guys. Hedera gets to 10 cents, I'm going to get very active with Hedera, okay? 10 cents and below. That's to me when it gets real good. Okay? Like real, cause I mean that's a lot, guys. This thing's got some room to come down in my opinion. All right, and that's not exactly what you want to see either. Okay, I mean, look at that, guys. 1, 2, 3, and they're pretty recent to each other. Like they're not far apart, guys. That's not really what you want to see. And as you can tell, boom, get the dump. But yeah, 13.8, guys. 10 cents. That's for me. For me, guys, if I'm gonna play with a big position, you know, where I'm like, okay, I think this is it. This is where I think the gamble's the most in my favor. That's 10 cents for me, 13 cents, all in there. I'd get a little bit at 19, I'd get a little bit at 16, a little bit at 13. That way, if it never gets down to 10 cents, at least I got a little bit of exposure for the next move up. Because if it never gets down to 10 cents, then that means we're moving in the opposite direction, which means we're good to go. All right. Hedera, it's going to give great plays, guys. I like Hedera. It's one of my favorites. Anyways, let's get to Bitcoin. Everybody want to talk about Bitcoin. Look at that, guys. Boom, through the 200 moving average. Get a quick bounce off the top of our support level. Look at the weakness. Couldn't even take out the 20 moving average. And boom, dump. And look at that, guys. We're getting close to the bottom. All right, 49.2. We got this at like what? Around 4,800. Okay? If 4,800 gives out, guys, oh man. You see what I'm saying? I know you see what I'm saying. Yeah. We're coming down, guys, if 48 gives out. All right. And I mean, look, well, low, lower, low. Even from this structure, from this piece, low, lower, low. That's not good, guys. All right. That's not good. And now look, even if we draw a trend line here, okay, because before it was sharp. All right, before it was sharp. Now look, it's almost horizontal on the screen. Okay, there's a lot of pressure coming down. A lot of pressure. Now, could it bounce from here? Of course it could bounce from here. It wouldn't surprise me. That's a lot of selling. Eventually, you're going to need to let it come up before you sell it again. You want a better price if you're a short seller. So I get it. That's why we see it move in waves. But guys, this level is weak, and I think there's a lot more panic than excitement right now at these prices. All right? This is not looking like, whoa, super bullish. This thing takes off from here. Not yet. All right. So we'll see how it plays out. But yeah, I think in my personal opinion, 48K gives out. It's time to free fall. All right. I think it could be fast. I don't think it's gonna be slow all the way. I think it was just boom, like take over the news and shit. That's my opinion. That's a guess. Okay. Sometimes I guess right. Sometimes I guess wrong. In this situation, that's kind of how I see it playing out, though. All right. Like we have a good read on people's emotions, and look at it, it's just a lot of red. It's a lot of red. People might be thinking like, man, capital gains tax getting raised. It's been going up for a while. Man, now we're under 50K. Like, how come we struggled at 60K those many times? You know, maybe I should just take these profits. You know, while I still can. And I think shit's gonna accelerate, guys. But yeah, so if that level gives out, which in my opinion will probably be pretty soon, we're coming down to that 38, 42K range, guys. All in here. All right? All in here. I don't think this level is better than this level. And I'd say y'all agree. Okay? It's not a bad level. It's better than this level. But it's still not a great level, guys. It's still not a great level, in my opinion. Okay? I do think there will be a bounce there, though. I think when we get down to 38K, 40K, 42K, somewhere in there, I definitely think there's a bounce. I don't see how there isn't a bounce, because people are going to be like, there's got to be a bounce. There's still a lot of people out there who are like, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. But yeah, we're not those people. We're XRP guys, okay? That's what we do. XRP, XRP. We got fundamentals on our side. Bitcoin doesn't. That's why this is gonna get scary for Bitcoin, guys. Look at it. You see when I zoom out? That looks scary, guys. That thing looks like, oh, I'm ready to fall. And look, guys, this is the low. Okay, the support level's below it. That's why I think we get the lower low. And people will try to buy it from there. And I don't think it's going to be that great of an idea. You're going to have a big battle there. You're going to have that lower low, which could be this whole little rollover going into a pretty bad bear cycle. Or you could have these support resistance buyers went out and they're like, no, this is the real level and takes off. And I think that's going to create a lot of conflict here. All right. But when you look at the risk to reward, I don't see it here, guys. I don't see it here. I see it here because at least here, when you get down to like 30K, 32K, you have a chance to at least double your money with a clear possible target being whatever it was, 64,000, 64,996, I don't know, some, you know. Right now at 40K, just to double your money, you still gotta get to 80K. That's why I don't think it's that favorable, because you're still going to a target that's never been hit before. Alright? Especially, and I mean, guys, this thing is not looking pretty. It is not looking pretty. Those averages are coming down sharp. Alright? The 200 just took over the 50 and the 20. Alright? It's not looking good. Look, guys, 48.9. We're getting close. We are getting close. We got 1 hour and 42 minutes left on this candle. Let's look at 1 hour real quick. 1 hour. See, on the 1 hour, it could range a little bit, maybe wick down. Who knows? It could also give out. It doesn't seem, I mean, look, that's the buying right here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Definitely, it wouldn't surprise me. You get bounced back up to like 51K or something. It wouldn't surprise me. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not interested at this level either way. That's the key. Are you interested at the level or not? Okay? Does the level meet your criteria? This level, if you've been following my channel, guys, this level doesn't meet your criteria. It shouldn't, at least. Okay? Even this one. What do we want? Clear targets. We want clear targets. Especially when you lack fundamentals and you only have hype and speculation. I personally will not be trading Bitcoin, even at 30K. I don't want to take that chance. I don't like Bitcoin, guys. I don't hate Bitcoin, but I don't like Bitcoin. Okay? I would day trade a little bit, but I don't even want to take it from 30K like that. Because it's still only 1x if I get all the way back to 60. I don't expect that to happen, guys. Not with the way the narrative's shifting. Alright? I mean, not with people freaking out over capital gains tax. Okay? So yeah, that level, in my opinion, is about to give out. Anyways, guys, let's take a look at a couple more. Zip through these. We got Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum did its thing, guys. Structure-wise, it did look better. You know, even though it was close to an all-time high, it kind of looked like it was more set up. It's giving a few more signs that it could go. But again, guys, it tried and tried and tried. It did set a new all-time high. But guys, look at that. That's what you want? That's not what you want. Alright? Now, those wicks look good. I ain't gonna lie. Those wicks look good coming from that level. But just with everything going on in the market, I don't know, guys. That's a lot of selling. I don't think everyone's like, oh, super bullish now. It's going to take off again. I do like this wick too. I really like this wick. I just don't, with Ethereum, there's two things. I don't like the project itself because it's manipulated in proof of work, and proof of work doesn't work. And the second thing, oh, and the gas fees too. Don't even get me started on that. And the second thing with Ethereum is that it's so close to this all-time high. Okay? And it has a lot of room to fall. Risk to reward is not in your favor on Ethereum. Okay? I mean, right here, if you buy in right here, You're targeting the all-time high again. It's like, I don't know. I don't know, guys. The risk to reward, it's not too bad. You'd probably, I mean, it just depends where you got in. If you got in low here, you probably go under the wick. If you want to be more conservative, probably right here. But see, I don't like the trade because of where I'd have to enter. I just don't like it. Because you see, then you're still dealing with this wick and buyers could step in here. And it's like you're not going to bring it down to a 4-hour support. There's probably a good chance it's going to bounce there too, especially with this wick. I don't know, guys. Me personally, that's the thing. If I can't get in the way I want, I don't want it. And I can't really get in the way I want on this. And it doesn't offer anything worth taking this kind of a chance near an all-time high. Again, this is my target. This is it. Other than that, I'm speculating and hoping it goes higher. All right. So yeah, I think Ethereum. I mean, look at it on the 4-hour, guys. I don't think you just get this kind of a dump, and then everyone's like, "Oh, this is amazing," and then boom, you blast off and go make another 1 or 2x. Okay, I think this comes down, comes up a little bit, and then I think it gives out. That's my opinion. All right, because this is a lot of selling. That's a lot of selling, guys. All right. And I don't think you just go through all that. I mean, look how many candles it took to go up. And then it just took 4 candles to come down. And it had the most volume. The argument can be made, there's a wick. So it finished, strong. That argument's there. But look how it's performed since. People aren't jumping and jumping and jumping, and that's why I think they, if anything, it's gonna lull people in. Oh, look, we got the wicks now. It's actually performing off the support. I'll jump in. Those people who want to be safe, okay? We see things in advance. They should have devoured this if they loved it. Let me give you a comparison. XRP, look at that. The wick almost returned to the top of the zone, guys. And next candle, same thing, deep wick. All right. This thing's bullish, guys. XRP, always bullish, forever and always. Can you get a better price? Of course. It could come down. All right. But it could not. That's why you got to get it when you can, where you can, and you got to know how to get in and out. But anyways, just to compare, that is them devouring it. It barely stayed there, guys, and was gone. Okay, you look at the Ethereum one, and boom, right there, we're already back here. It's just different. I don't know, guys. That's me. I mean, look at the structure. Oh, almost 100% retracement. That's not what you want to see. That is not what you want to see. That means a lot of people, they might have more and let it come back up and be like, hey, one more time. Boom. So yeah, I got Ethereum falling back to 1500. That's me personally. I think that's where it's going next. I don't know when, I don't know how fast, but that's where we're heading next. Anyways, let's look at one more coin, guys. Dogecoin. Oh, Doge. Look at that, guys. Rejected and dumps. Guys, it got to, what's the low? 15 cents, 15.9 cents, so right under 16 cents, guys. Look at the volume. I mean, guys, this is not what you want. These people are all screwed. Everyone in Doge is screwed. There's not a development team. I'm just going to keep reiterating that. There's not a development team. If this thing stopped working right now, nobody's going to fix it. Is it a surprise that it went from 45 cents and got down to 15 cents, guys? Come on. Look at that. This thing's not even done. Does that look done to you? If you're a Doge holder, are you like, oh yeah, this is perfect? I mean, guys, look at the volume. Nobody's even participating right now. That means the big money's like, oh, we're out. We're good right now. we're good. This thing gonna come down to probably this 50, which is 12 cents. Guys, if 12 cents doesn't hold, then that's gonna tell you all this, which I'm telling you now, and have been telling you, was all speculation. Just all a joke. They call it a joke coin, guys. If you're playing in Doge, it's a joke. Alright? Be happy with your winnings. Get the fuck out. I had a good friend of mine. He sold his Doge and he got the XRP. Huh. Incredible, guys. That's the play. Take your profits and funnel them into XRP. Especially right now, guys. $1.02. $1.02. Clear target. $2. You're already looking basically to double your money, guys. Just going to $2. Alright, if it dumps more, awesome. Get some more money and go get some more. Alright, or have some ready for it, because you know it's a potential possibility that it gets lower and gives you a better opportunity to accumulate even more. But Doge, guys, we can't even analyze it, can we? What's there to say? Look at this. This thing is dead. Low, way lower low. I mean, both these rejections at this resistance were the all-time high. Okay, that's the all-time high resistance level there, guys. 200 showed no excitement. Gives out. Guys, it's a free fall on the 1 hour chart. It's a free fall. Where's it gonna go? First stop's probably right here, that 11-12 cents. Let's mark it up right here. 11 cents, 12 cents, guys. That's not gonna hold. This thing's already this close to it. You tell me it just comes to here and goes and sets off new. Come on, guys. It doesn't have a development team. This thing's done. This thing's done. This is a dumpster fire. Doge is a dumpster fire now. If it goes up again, I'll be surprised. Like, if it goes and sets new highs, I'll be surprised. I mean, not super surprised, because I know market manipulation is real. That's how this happened in the first place. But, I mean, if Doge survives everything that's coming, that's when I'll really be surprised. There's no way. They don't even have a development team, guys. But anyways, y'all, I mean, I don't know how y'all are feeling. I'm feeling great. This got me charged up today. I was like, I gotta make a video. I can't wait to make this video. I mean, these are the times you want if you're an investor. And especially if you want more. I got projects. I am ready to scoop, guys. You know, I'm just waiting for the right opportunity, depending on which one I'm looking at. I mean, guys, if you don't have XRP, it's $1.02 right now. Some people got it under $1. You might get it again under $1 here. Stellar Lumens, 39 cents. Hedera, 22 cents. This was just 45 cents not that long ago. You see, you're at a 50% discount. I want y'all to look at this like you're a bargain shopper looking for a deal. You're looking for the best shit for the best deal. Alright? I mean, Hedera's already giving you a chance to double up. Already. Could give you more than a double up. Stellar Lumens, it's not giving you the double up yet. I think it got up to like 60 cents or 65 cents or something. So it's not ready. You shouldn't be as interested there. Alright, for a long-term hold you could be interested. Okay, because I mean, that's not a terrible price. But this isn't like the one. It's not giving you the same reward as like Hedera. XRP is giving you a 1-to-1 right now too. If you go to $2, you 1x. So XRPs are going, it's just hard to get. Bitcoin's not giving that to anyone. Ethereum's not giving that to anyone. Algorand's all-time high is $3.10, guys. It's just had $1.79. I love Algorand. I just scooped some. I was like, whoa, hold on, it's getting this low. I'll scoop a little bit. That's what I do with Algo. Algo's a monster, guys. Y'all, I'm telling you guys, if y'all don't own the Algo, You're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it. Y'all don't even know how to play the algo. All right. It offers just the most amazing life-changing play, and you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. What's the play? I'll tell you guys the play. We'll do a video on algo. But guys, algo's a monster. $1.05. Cardano? I want Cardano, guys. I want it. I just don't want it at this price. All right. What do you get up to? Like $1.55 or something? Let's see here. Yeah, $1.55. It's only $1.02. So I can't even 1x yet. Really, for me personally, I get real interested in Cardano at like 20 cents. I think that's when I'd be like, yeah, it's time to like really accumulate Cardano. I mean, because then you're looking at, 40, 60, 81. 6x, guys, 7x. It's not bad. And we know it's a great project. So yeah, Cardano's one I'm real interested in, guys. Doge? Come on, get out of here. Bitcoin, Ethereum? Come on, guys, get out of here. Even look at Coinbase, guys. 293. It's under 300. Under 300. But yeah, anyways, y'all, I think, we'll just end this video on that. I just want to kind of touch up on the levels, kind of let y'all know, like, just a little perspective, kind of how I'm looking at it, what to expect. Personally, if Bitcoin keeps going down, guys, which I'm expecting it to do, I'd expect a lot of the market to go down with it. All right, guys, as displayed today. Guys, 48K right now. It's not looking good. It is not looking good for Bitcoin. I think people are getting a little spooked. That's cool. On the 15-minute, you might be able to make a quick trade here. Boom, pop it up to like right here, maybe even up to 200. That's showing itself a little bit. That's why I said it could come up a little bit, but overall, guys, when we get back to those high time frames, I don't know. I still see weakness, especially that lower low setting in. Come up a little bit, boom, slap it down. Free fall. All right, guys, though, as always, I'm sending y'all love. I'm sending y'all light. We will keep watching this video. Who knows? I could be back tomorrow with another video. That's definitely possible. I think I will be because I'm expecting these markets to get crazy, guys. And it's Friday tomorrow. We're getting close to the end of the weekly, too. I think the weekly closes on what? Is it Saturday night or Sunday? 2 days and 18 hours, guys. Look at that. Weekly doesn't look like it's going to hold, huh? That thing's coming through. So I think in the next couple days, we'll really know. If this is how the weekly closes, guys, I don't expect this level to hold. I would expect this like, hey, guys, we're going to jump down at least to here. Get a little hurdle at 45. If 45 doesn't show any strength, we're for sure coming in. For sure coming in hot too, guys. Look where the moving average is, 44.5. It's just calling out. It's calling out. And that's not going to hold, guys. That's not going to hold. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Y'all see it. I know you do. Anyways, send y'all love. Send y'all light. I will see you at the next video, guys. Until then, keep scooping that XRP. Especially if you don't got some. Alright? Anyways, guys, take care. Bye.